I enjoyed the fact that I could slap Veer Das.
My God. Oh my God.
You have been where many people on Twitter want to go.
So on behalf of no.
But I should clarify, जो ये थप्पड़ मारती है, the sweet thing about this thing is, मैं इनको चाहता हूँ, ये मुझको चाहती है, but जब भी मैं इनको छूता हूँ, इनका reflex action है एक थप्पड़. So it's not anger actually. It's self-defense of yours of self-defense. So when I touch her, she's like, घर पे मामा नहीं गए, थप्पड़ comes. So the comedy of the film is two people who want each other but can't touch each other.
Oh wow, this is so fun.
Because a slap is in the way.
This is so fun. आज वीरदास हमें सच बता ही दो कि आप पर आरोप है कि आपके फिल्म के ट्रेलर में आपने बहुत मर्दों का इस्तेमाल किया है और वो मर्द है इमरान खान और आमिर खान.
जी बिल्कुल.
क्या ये
अलावा आई एम नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द मर्द लिस्ट. आप जो पपी डॉग हैं, आपने ये अल्फा
मर्दों का इस्तेमाल जो आपने किया है earlier. I love how you've been subverting everything because earlier we used to use women for that.
Yeah.
Thank you, kudos to you for using the men as, you know, the
As
what do they
the-
call it, the
Clickbaits.
item numbers or
As
the
the-
clickbaits.
to cater to the female gaze.
Yes, thank you so much. We are very happy about it. Also, Imran Khan के fans पागल हो रहे हैं. Let's take a second and acknowledge that. Also, what have we ripped open when he was actually doing his movies? हमने काफी खिल्ली उड़ाई थी इमरान खान की.
Yeah,
मुझे
we
याद
were
है.
not very great
We were
to
not
him.
very kind to
Yeah,
Imran.
yeah.
There were films like Luck, for example, I remember.
Sure.
And he was so gracious about it in this phase where he's coming out and talking about it, where he's saying that there could have been films that I may not have been great in, but yet there is an audience love for me that is unbelievable.
Yeah.
So I want to go back to that moment where I believe he called you and he
He
said,
messaged me. तो इमरान text करता है and is not even on WhatsApp. So he texted me a month before shooting saying, I believe narrations are good, pre-prod is good. Can I pop into the movie? I was like, are you serious? Because if you do, I'll write you something. You know, I'll write a character for you. And then we have to do something you've not done before. And so I wrote him a character called International Supermodel Milind Moria.
love it, love it. Yes.
And that's who Imran plays.
That's amazing.
And-
And of course, with Amir is the same thing.
Amir is Jimmy Mario. And Amir gets you into the movie. And Amir is the legendary Don of Goa.
Oh,
And Mona takes over his empire.
oh wow. And I remember that Delhi Belly, there is too much love for Delhi Belly that is also being ripped open right now.
Yeah, I think ये जो I keep clarifying this, but जब Delhi Belly आई ना तो सिनेमा थोड़ी सॉफ्ट थी. गुजारिश जिंदगी हम ना मिलेगी दोबारा, परिणीता had just come out, तो हम गालियों के साथ आए और पॉटी के साथ आए, तो we popped a little bit. अभी हम पाताल लोक में जी रहे हैं. We live in मिर्जापुर and this land जो थोड़ी हार्ड है, तो हमारी फिल्म थोड़ी सॉफ्ट है, हमारी गालियां थोड़ी सॉफ्ट है और हमारी फिल्म थोड़ी सिली और स्टूपिड है, which I think we need. Comedy is counter to what culture is.
So true. और क्या अल्फा मेल कटाक्ष है?
हमारे गाने में गाना है अल्फा मेल एंड लिरिक्स है बारी बरसी खटंगे आसी डोले शोले दारू अंद लासी खटके ले आंदा पतासा इमोशन को मारे तमाचा मैं हूँ अल्फा मेल.
मैं हूँ अल्फा मेल.
राइट. और इसमें मैं लंबे बाल और दाढ़ी के साथ बैले कर रहा हूँ और सैंडविचेस बना रहा हूँ.
Oh my God.
इट इज अबाउट अ NRI जो
और
इंडिया
as you say in the trailer, NRI.
इंडिया आता है
Correct.
एंड गेट्स एवरीथिंग रॉन्ग और मॉडर्न इंडिया उसको झापड़ देता है बार बार और रिप्लाई देता है कि नहीं हम ये हैं, आपका पूरा ट्रेनिंग गलत है. एंड ही डिस्कवर्स व्हाट इट मीन्स टू बी ट्रूली इंडियन एंड दैट इज समथिंग आई रिलेट टू ट्रेमेंडसली.
Yeah, because two Indias आपसे बेहतर कौन जानता है? Das, let's put it that way. This is amazing. I do also want to acknowledge the fact that you have two amazing girls as part of this film. So congratulations. I want to ask if casting choice with Shrishti, you know, when that actually happened, because I remember when she broke out through Hustle,
Yeah.
you know, everybody wanted a piece of Shrishti. Is that when it happened?
No, I had seen the song. So firstly, I want to clarify: this film is mostly women. If you think about it, there are only 4 men in this movie. Meri villain is Mona Singh, a badass murderer. Shrishti Meri weapons expert, so designing this thing. Mithila is the most violent person in the film. 4 choreographed fight action sequences and proper action hero in the movie. I make sandwiches and do ballet. So with Shrishti, I'd seen Maini to Kaun, and what I wanted was हमारा थोड़ा older brother younger sister
Bye.
type vibe है. So I wanted someone to call me on my bullshit the entire movie. So she's that person in the
Yeah.
movie.
And is she like that in real life? Or she's Saika?
I think only once or twice I've done that to him. One time he was बहुत सेट पे
हाँ जी.
चिल्लम चिल्ली कर रहे थे
पहली बार. I
पहली
should
बार
clarify.
मेरे सामने पहली बार, तो वो बहुत
Actually पहली बार.
मुझे क्या पता.
It's not like मैं अरे सुशी चली गई.
तो वो ऐसा चिल्लम चिल्ली हो रही थी और मेरे को लगा कि ये तो मेरा आइडल है, ये ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है. तो फिर मैंने उनको बोला कि आप एकदम ऐसा भड़के हुए ऐसा सड़ेले आदमी जैसे कर रहे हो, जैसे टिपिकल
नहीं, you
सड़ेले
also
आदमी
said वीर भैया आपको हार्ट अटैक होने वाला है.